It's that it's cool. Like, you find treasure at a thrift store that you will not find. Like I said, I could go to Target and I could find something and be like, okay, well, every store has that, and I could go to H&M and I could go to Forever 21 and I could go here and I could find something similar, like no big deal, this isn't special. But when you go to a thrift store, you're gonna find a jacket. Like, I got an amazing sweater from this very store that's a woman, it's an Art Deco woman with beaded snowflakes. I'm not gonna find that anywhere. I have spent money in days that I was more broke. I have spent money on thrifted clothing over food. I've literally been like, I could have this exceptionally unique clothing item or groceries. And I picked the exceptionally unique clothing item.